This video will guide you through 8 steps needed to write a contract agreement for your business. Business contract drafting is a frequently requested service on the Contracts Council platform, since business owners want to make sure they are legally protected when operating. So, if you need to write a contract agreement for a business transaction, this video is for you. We will cover 1. The purpose of business contracts. 2. Key terms to include in your agreement. 3. 8 steps to follow to write your business contract. Now, let's get started. Purpose of business contracts. Business contracts are legally binding written agreements between 2 or more business parties. The purpose of business contracts is to protect the legal rights of your company when engaging in business relationships and transactions. Without using contracts, a business can open themselves up to legal issues. Some reasons why using a business contract is important are as follows. 1. They create a paper trail for a transaction or relationship. 2. They can make a business look more professional and trusted. 3. They mitigate the possibility of business disputes. 4. They ensure people understand expectations. 5. They safeguard your business or others' liabilities. What to include in your business contract. There are common terms used in business contracts. Here are some you will find. 1. Names of the parties. The agreement includes the name of the businesses or people involved in the transaction. 2. Scope of services. This describes what services will be provided by the business. 3. Payment terms. This describes how and when the customer will pay for services. 4. Length of contract. This states how long the contract will last between the parties. 5. Confidentiality. This protects any confidential information exchanged between the parties. 6. Liability and indemnification. These clauses outline what happens if something goes wrong and who is responsible for compensation. 7. Termination. This sets rules on how to get out of the contract. 8. Dispute resolution. This details the procedure the parties can take in the event of a dispute. 8 steps to writing a business contract. Here is a list of 8 steps you can follow to draft your business contract. 1. Review commonly used clauses. Review the commonly used clauses discussed earlier in this video or find a template online to use as a reference. This will allow you to know what to include. 2. Identify key business information. Next, identify the key information you want to include in your agreement. This may include details about payment terms, confidentiality, and the scope of services you will provide. 3. Use clear language. It is critical to use clear and concise language that all parties understand. 4. Organize content. Once you've written your clauses, organize them so that they are logical. For example, you likely want to have scope of services section come before your termination section. 5. Include applicable laws. Be sure to incorporate any applicable laws that may be specific to your state or industry. Note, this may require research. 6. Consider seeking legal advice. If you are unsure about anything, consider using Contracts Council's platform to seek advice from an experienced business lawyer. 7. Review and revise. Review and revise them to make the language clearer and confirm you have included everything needed. 8. Make accessible. Create a single document to serve as your contract or put your terms on your website. In conclusion, drafting a business contract for your company is a vital step in protecting your business. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to visit www.contractscouncil.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.